experiment is all about PHP database connection and cookies. Over here, we have to create a login page for registration, and if we are not registered, then it is fine. And if the user ID and password is already registered, it has to go to another PHP page in which over there they have to log in again. And there is an option for changing the password also. So now, so in the index page, in the body tag, I gave in H1 tag, I gave sign up here for free, and H3 tag, I gave register here. Using form tag action, it goes to db.php when submit button is clicked. Method I used post, which is a super global variable. For username and password columns, the input type is equal to text. Username is name is username, and for password also a field is created with the type password and name is password. And email also input type is equal to email and name is equal to email is given. So over here, when input type is equal to submit, when the submit button is clicked, it goes to db.php, and if it is already registered, it goes for lab82.php code. So now you see that DB code when when they submitted the login part, the details part, and when they log in, then over here this. So over here with the username is equal to dollar underscore post of the username. So these are the posters that is super global variable which I used over here for method post. So after that, and password, email ID, and username is taken. This statement is given for XAMPP connection, where my XAMPP is connected. This is the XAMPP connection code. That is the dollar C1 is equal to MySQL ID underscore connect, which localhost would come to me. And if condition is if it is connected. If it is not connected, then it goes for it shows an error message, and the query uses insert into users of username, password, email of values is given. Then result is MySQL I underscore query of connect or a query. If result is equal to true, then result is not equal to true. Also, error message is displayed. Else, you are registered successfully is displayed. So over here, if you are already registered, it goes for lab82.php. So in this, again we gave a login or sign in, and using form action, login.php goes to login.php, and method I use post. For that also, username and password fields are created. And if you want to change password, I gave a code for code, and the PHP file name is pass8, and keep me logged in. That will come. Then again, two fields are created for checkbox and submit. And if you are not registered in, again it goes for PHP index page. So after you get logged in, so again the same thing is happening over here. Using super global variable post, the username, password, and password is taken. And connection MySQL I underscore connect of localhost movement company. The query used is select staff from users where username is equal to username and password. Then result and record the display. Then if records are not equal to 0, then login successful. Then it goes to welcome page. Else it goes not logged in. Then submit and check thing is given. So Same thing is done over here, password reset. So if you want to change the password, the code is given like the form, with the form action, change it goes to change.php and method again I use post. Username, password, and email is taken. So in the change code, username, password, and email is taken. Then dollar connection is equal to MySQL underscore connect of this part. So if connection is not equal to true, then error message is displayed or else password change successfully. So here, after I fill the details, I'm clicking on register. So okay, after I fill the details, I'm giving register. So you are registered successfully is given, or else if you are already registered, then it is going over here. I'm giving some details. Password something. So I'm giving login and it goes for change password. Username, it is asking for something. Then password. Password change successfully.